WBAP. We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Kaufman County, northeastern Ellis County, and southeastern Dallas County until 7:15. A severe thunderstorm is located 7 miles east of Palmer, or 9 miles northeast of Ennis, moving south by southeast at 20 miles per hour. This storm may contain quarter-sized hail. The storm will be near Ennis momentarily and near the town of Alma by 6:55. Other locations along the path of this storm will include portions of Interstate 45 from Trumbull and Palmer on down toward Ennis and even down toward Corsicana as the storm continues to move to the south. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning in effect now until 7:15 for southwestern Kaufman, northwestern Henderson County, northeastern Ellis County, and southeastern Dallas County. That's till 7:15, a severe thunderstorm between Palmer and Ennis moving south by southeast at 20 miles per hour. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.